Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss the all 30 NBA teams' biggest roster mistakes part 2. As what I have said in our last video, this mistake was divided into 5 different tiers. Tier 5, small scale problems. Tier 4, draft disasters. Tier 3, miscellaneous mid-tier mistakes. Tier 2, too high, a cost for too little reward, and Tier 1, franchise-altering terrible trades. We already discussed Tier 5, small-scale problems. So in this video, we will discuss Tier number 4 and Tier number 3. Let's start with Tier number 4, draft disasters. We are already at number 23, the Oklahoma City Thunder. Biggest mistake? Trading for future rotation players after the draft 2020 and 2021. In 2020, Oklahoma City Thunder dealt the number 25 and 28 picks for number 17, thereby giving away future starters Emmanuel Quickley and Jaden McDaniels, while bringing Alexei Pokusevski to Oklahoma City. In 2021, Oklahoma City Thunder traded up for number 36 to number 32, reaching for Jeremiah Robinson Earl instead of being content with useful backup Miles McBride. Worst of all, also in 2021, OKC traded number 16 pick Alperen Sengun, a European prospect who, unlike Pokusevski, panned out to Houston for 2 future picks, which Oklahoma City Thunder used a year later in a package for Ousmane Dieng. To sum it up, Oklahoma City traded an all-star center, an all-defensive wing, and 2 quality guards for Pokusevski, Robinson Earl, and Dieng. For number 22, Boston Celtics. Biggest mistake? Trading Desmond Bain. Boston certainly could have used him over the past half-decade, a solid defender for his position and a career 41% three-point shooter. Bain would have been a perfect fit in the Celtics system. For number 21, Houston Rockets. Biggest mistake? Drafting Jalen Green over Evan Mobley. Jalen Green is a better player than the other mistake picks discussed in this tier, but the opportunity cost for selecting him was also higher because after the Rockets took Green with the number 2 pick, Mobley went third. But for now, it's hard to wonder what the Rockets would look like if Mobley instead of Green. With the possible exception of Amen Thompson, Mobley has a higher ceiling than any of the Rockets' young building blocks. For number 20, the Orlando Magic. Biggest mistake? Drafting Jet Howard in 2023. 2 seasons into his career, number 11 pick Howard is averaging 3.8 points per game and making just 29% of his three-point attempts. He has played 14 total minutes across 2 playoff series. Players picked soon after Howard include Derek Lively II, 12th, Grady Dick, 13th, Jordan Hawkins, 14th, and Brandon Posemski, 19th, all of whom have contributed much more than Howard in the NBA. Number 19, San Antonio Spurs. Biggest mistake, drafting Joshua Primo. San Antonio selected Primo with the 12th pick in the 2021 draft. He averaged 5.9 points per game before being waived in October 2022 after allegations of indecent exposure to a female Spurs employee. But the Primo pick failed on multiple levels. Wings selected short after Primo in the 2021 draft include Moses Moody, number 14, Corey Casper, 15th, Trey Murphy III, 17th, and Jalen Johnson, 20th. Number 18, the Washington Wizards. Biggest mistake? Drafting Johnny Davis. Among lottery picks from 2020 through 2023, the worst career box minus belongs to Davis, the number 10 pick in the 2022 season. Davis' surface stats don't look any better. 3.5 points, 0.6 assists, and 11.4 minutes per game with ghastly 40%, 27%, and 56% shooting splits. Number 17, the Golden State Warriors. Biggest mistake? Drafting James Wiseman, second, 2022. Selecting Wiseman with their best pick to set up its future, Golden State passed on LaMelo Ball, who went number 3, and Tyrese Haliburton, who went 12th. Wiseman was raw and experienced and a defensive liability, and his injuries didn't help him learn how to play in the Warriors' unique system. The next season, Golden State dealt Wiseman for Gary Payton II, who was undrafted but much a better bet to earn Steve Kerr's trust. And now let's proceed to tier number 3, miscellaneous mid-year mistake. At number 16, the Minnesota Timberwolves. Biggest mistake? Trading for D'Angelo Russell in 2020. Timberwolves first acquired Russell in exchange for Andrew Wiggins and a future first-round pick. Wiggins became arguably the second best player on the title-winning 2021-2022 Golden State Warriors, and that draft pick landed at number 7 and became Jonathan Kuminga. D'Angelo Russell never took off in Minnesota despite his well-documented friendship with Karl Anthony Towns, and the Timberwolves rightly realized they needed a better option at point guard if they ever wanted to win in the postseason. Minnesota eventually dealt Russell for Mike Conley and Nickel Alexander Walker en route to back-to-back conference finals appearance. At number 15, the Denver Nuggets. Biggest mistake? Not trading for any new players for 2 years after winning the title. Between the Nuggets title in 2023 and this month, when they traded Michael Porter Jr. for Cameron Johnson, they didn't add a single NBA player in a trade. That inactivity, which was largely motivated by financial reasons and eventually cost GM Calvin Booth his job. Nuggets replacements were either too young or too old, and they couldn't give Nikola Jokic the support he needed to reach another finals. While all other Nuggets lineups scored their opponent by 98 points in 2022-23, thanks to contributions from the likes of Bruce Brown and Jeff Green. Other Nuggets lineups in 2024-2025 had a negative 142-point differential. At number 14, the Los Angeles Lakers. Biggest mistake? Losing 3-and-D players from their championship team. The Lakers won the 2020 championship with a simple formula. LeBron James and Anthony Davis plus 3-and-D role players equals success. Shortly after winning the title, they traded Danny Green and a late first-round pick, which became Jaden McDaniels for Dennis Schroeder. A year later, they lowballed Alex Caruso in free agency, leading him to sign with the Chicago Bulls. And the coup de grace came with an ill-fated blockbuster trade as they traded Kyle Kuzma and Kentavious Caldwell-Pope for post-prime Russell Westbrook. Each of those moves was worse than the last, with Westbrook in particular failing to fit into the Lakers' James-centric ecosystem. At number 13, Detroit Pistons. Biggest mistake? Hiring Monty Williams as head coach in 2023. In 4 seasons with the Phoenix Suns, Williams reached the finals, won the Coach of the Year award, and won 63% of his games. He was given at the time the largest coaching contract in NBA history, 6 years at $78.5 million. But his tenure was a disaster in Detroit. Williams didn't seem to have a grasp on his new players' strengths and weaknesses, and his rotations boggled the mind. He lambasted his players in public. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help our channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone. See you in the next video.